In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring payments in a PandaDoc contract. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up reliable automated billing for subscriptions, retainers, or any ongoing service, all within the same document your client signs. First, make sure your payment processor is connected. In PandaDoc, open your settings and head to Integrations, then Connect Stripe. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. It's important that the account you connect is the one where you want funds deposited and that the currency and business details match what you plan to charge. If you manage multiple environments, double check you're in the correct mode before sending anything to a client. Next, open the contract or template you want to use. Templates are great for consistency, especially if you bill on a predictable schedule, but you can also start from a document and customize as needed. Confirm that your recipient roles are set properly so you can assign who will be paying later. Now add the payment block to your document. You'll find it in the content panel. Drag and drop it where it makes the most sense for your flow, usually near the pricing details or just before the signature section. Keep it visible and clear so your signer understands what they're authorizing. With the block selected, change the payment type to recurring. This is the key setting that transforms a one-time charge into an ongoing charge. Choose how often you want to bill, such as monthly or annually, and set when charges should begin. Many teams start charging right after the document is signed, but you can align it with a project kickoff or the start of service if needed. If your plan has a defined duration, specify the number of billing cycles. If it's open-ended, leave it ongoing. Enter the amount and currency for each billing cycle. Make sure this number matches the pricing in your contract language so there's no confusion. If you include taxes or fees, ensure they're reflected in the total amount and that they're consistent across your document and payment settings. Assign the payer by selecting the correct recipient in the payment block. This ensures the right person is prompted to enter payment details during signing. Accurate role assignment prevents delays and back and forth later. Finally, send the contract, add a clear subject and message, then preview the document as the recipient to confirm the recurring schedule and amount display correctly. After the signer completes the document, charges will be collected on the schedule you set. You can track document status in PandaDoc and review payments in your payment provider's dashboard, with receipts handled there if you've enabled them. That's it. Your recurring billing is now streamlined and automated.